Autodesk Inventor and Vault 2022 both have a new installation and deployment experience. These new tools simplify and speed up the installation of Inventor and Vault while providing CAD administrators new deployment options as part of your product design and manufacturing collection entitlement. Let's take a look at a standalone installation of Inventor. Pick your options in the new streamlined installation dialog box and start the installation sequence. Once the core of Inventor is installed, a launch button will appear. You can get started using Inventor right away while the rest of the optional components install in the background. Component options and uninstall operations can be accessed from the control panel in Windows. Use the Change option to install any optional components that were skipped during the original installation. Let's take a look at creating deployments using the new tools in your account management portal. In this example, we'll navigate to our Autodesk account and then click the Deployments link to see our available products. We'll include multiple products across entitlements in the same deployment. We'll start with selecting which version of Inventor we want to deploy. We'll add Inventor and then click Customize to configure the deployment settings. Familiar configuration options are available, including desktop libraries and extensions. Next, we'll begin to choose our Vault options. When configuring a Vault deployment, CAD tool add-ins are installed during the installation of the Vault client. Additionally, Vault Office can now be deployed separately. This eliminates the need to configure Vault Professional or Workgroup for a Vault Office-only deployment. We'll click Next to name and locate our deployment. Then we'll accept the terms of use to download the deployment bootstrapper. Finally, we'll run the bootstrapper to create the deployment on our local machine. The deployment is now ready to be installed from the local batch file. Autodesk Inventor and Vault 2022 simplify the deployment and installation experience to get you up and running faster.